Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Afim Jishaz Rizal, student ID 2023-299308. I'm from class CDCS 2514A, and my lecturer for this semester is Dr. Muhsin bin Muhammad Hatta. So I'll be presenting for my ITT557 individual project, which is titled Damn Vulnerable Web Application. So what is DVWA? DVWA stands for Damn Vulnerable Web Application. Its main purpose is to help web developers understand the procedures involved in securing web application, to assist security professionals in testing their tools in a legal setting, to assist teachers and students in learning about web application security in a controlled classroom settings. So the first vulnerability, I'll be showing you two vulnerabilities. The first one is SQL injection, and the second one is comment injection. The first vulnerability is that SQL injection. SQL injection is a web security vulnerability that grants an attacker the ability to tamper with database queries that an application makes. This can provide an attacker access to data that they would not typically be able to access. So for the demonstration, I'll be opening my Kali Linux and Notepad for the commands. So right here is the DVWA. So let's go to DVWA security. Okay, as you can see, I've already set my DVWA, my security level to low. Right here. Okay, so go to SQL injection. So right here, what you want to do is try inserting any number. So I inserted user ID number 1. The first ID shows the first name admin. So let's try number 2. So ID number 2 has first name Gordon, username Brown. So in order to get all the users, we use the basic injection, which is this one. So I'll take this, copy, and then paste right here. So if you can see right here, we have got all the users, username, and also the first name and the surname. So let's go to the second command, which is this one. The function of this command is to view the database version. Paste. Yeah, okay. If you can see right here, below right here is the version of the database. Alright, next one is this one, this command right here. The function of this command is to view all types of tables which are inside the database. So let's copy paste, put inside right here, select, submit. So if you can see right here, it shows two types of tables, which is the first one is users table, and the second one is the guestbook table. So the last one, I'll be showing you the command to get username and password inside the database. So you copy this command and then paste inside the box, submit. From here, it shows all the username, see the first name, and also the password for it. If you can see, this is all encrypted password. So in order to get the real password, go to crack station, and then go back to DVWA. Take one example right here. I'll be taking the first one, copy, then paste. Okay, after that, you can see the password for it is password. Alright, so that's for SQL injection. So in real world implications, the impact of the SQL injections in real life is that an attacker can read sensitive data from any database. Attackers can also log in as any users, including administrators, by injecting into login forms. So the defenses, the first one is to use parameterized queries or ORMs, which is object relational mappers. And the second is to regularly test for vulnerabilities using tools such as Burp Suite or SQL Map. So the next vulnerability that I'll be showing you is the command injection. Command injection is a kind of security vulnerability which allows an attacker to use a weak application to run arbitrary instructions on the host operating system. So how it works is a web application accepts input from a user and passes it to a system level command. The attacker injects the command by exploiting an application vulnerability, such as insufficient input validation. The application passes this string to the system shell, which interprets the semicolon as a command separator and executes both of the commands. Okay, let me demonstrate for you. So I'll be opening this one, my notepad. This contains the commands for the command injection. Okay, so I'll open my Kali. So we're back to the Dvwa. Go to command injection. Go to the first command, which is this one. Copy. Back and then we paste. So the function of this command is to show the current username inside the command right here. So the username, the current username is, it shows right below here, which is www-data. Alright, the next command, let's copy this one. This command shows the system info for the operating system. So let's paste, submit. This command only works if the first ping, the first command right here, which is the ping, is successful. If the ping is not successful, the next command will not be running. So let's check right here. So it has been successfully pinged. So it can proceed to the next command, which is this one. So right here we got the system, the operating system information down below. For what version of the kernel and the version of the operating system. So let's go to the third command, which is this one. Copy, then we paste. So the function of this command is to show the directory that is inside the command, which is right here. We got 3 directories, which is the first one is help, the second is index.php, and the last one is source. So that's all for the command injection demonstration. So let's go to real world implications. So the impact of having command injections from attackers is that attackers can execute any OS commands, gain reverse shells to control the server remotely, and install ransomware inside the computer and the victim's computer. An attacker could run destructive commands which can delete all data on the server and causes permanent downtime unless backup is prepared. The defenses for this type of vulnerability is to not pass raw user input to system commands, validate and sanitize input strictly, and also use web app firewalls and perform regular security testing. So that's all from me. Thank you very much.